Hello, and welcome to CES 2021. Technology that helps you, that works all around you. It's that inspiration and our focus on you that led us to our fridge lineup called Bespoke. We started with a simple idea to give you the ability to change the color and type of your fridge. We're expanding on that inspiration to bring Bespoke to the US for the first time. Come and see. Introducing the all-new 4-door Flex Bespoke. It comes with even more ways to customize your kitchen for both form and function. Behind this door is a brand new beverage center, which gives you quick access to the water dispenser and an automatically filled water pitcher. The 4-door Bespoke comes with a flex zone and upgraded crispers with temperature control. No more frozen veggies because the fridge was too cold. With the Serif, the frame, and the Sero, Samsung made your space more personal with bold design, a gallery-like mode, and both portrait and landscape displays. Now with the Terrace, I can sit on a patio and watch the big game or see cinema-quality content in any room with the Premiere. That led us to the latest breakthrough in our TV innovation, the all-new 110-inch MicroLED. If you remember the wall from 2018, we built on that vision to create the MicroLED. Its pure RGB LED light shows every color and detail that you've come to expect out of Samsung's TVs. New features like Quad View allow you to split your screen up to 4 ways. MicroLED will be available this coming March to let you customize your living space in a cutting-edge new way. Our Samsung Health Smart Trainer is coming to all of our 2021 TVs.
Are there any special workouts?
Something good. What happened? I really want to go out. Let's get ready to go. Let's take cash. I tell you, I feel so good. Feel good. I can feel so good.
There's the party every day.
Thank you. Don't you just love Bot Handy? See you soon. When AI is involved, it creates something entirely new. So much so that maybe it could breathe new life into, say, the Mona Lisa. What you see here is a neural avatar built off just one image. Earlier, we talked about our heritage of TV leadership. Well, we're also applying AI to make the content you watch better. That's what we're doing with AI upscaling, which takes HD content on your TV and turns it into 8K quality with our quantum AI processor. AI can also change the way you do everyday chores. Samsung smart washers learn how you do your laundry, giving you customized cycle preferences. CES, meet Jetbot 90 AI Plus. Jetbot 90 AI Plus uses object recognition technology to identify and classify objects and decide the best cleaning path. It'll clean close to objects like toys, but stay away from fragile items like vases. This is possible with LiDAR sensors for location detection and 3D sensors to recognize even the smallest obstacles. So no more getting stuck on cables or socks. Jetbot 90 AI Plus also comes with a camera. So while it keeps your home clean, you can check in on your furry friends too.
Finished cleaning. Returning to the station.
Coming to the US within the first half of this year. And as for GEMS, our mobility aid and exoskeleton, you might remember from CES last year, we've made improvements to its wearability and battery efficiency. Today, GEMS is used in clinical trials and pilot programs, and Samsung is continuing to invest in GEMS to bring it to you soon. Samsung Bot Care uses AI technology to take care of all the little details in your life by recognizing and understanding your behaviors to be a better robotic assistant and a companion.
You've been on your computer too long. How about stretching and taking a short break? The conference call is scheduled in a few minutes.
Now remember the bot you saw in our studio earlier? That was Bot Handy, a home robot that can both recognize and grab objects. Bot Handy uses AI to understand objects, like a glass cup or ceramic plate, taking note of their shape and materials to work as your trusted partner. Bot Handy can move around and do things like set the table or put away groceries. It flips the script on what a robot in your home could look like. Good job!
Last year, Samsung unveiled its eco-packaging, where TV boxes were repurposed as small-scale pieces of furniture. These efforts won the Innovation Award at CES 2020, and I'm pleased to announce that we plan to use eco-packaging in all our TV products in 2021. We'll be updating the software in used Galaxy phones and launching a new program, Galaxy Upcycling at Home. You can decide how to repurpose your Galaxy for convenient home devices. For example, you can upcycle a Galaxy into a childcare tool. Sensors in the phone monitor the audio around your baby and send an alert if it hears crying, helping you sleep easy. And your pets benefit too. A Galaxy can become a long-distance remote, so you can turn on the lights if your pet is home alone.
Thank you, and have a great CES.